Dropshipping in 2025 is more competitive than ever, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can build a dropshipping website completely from scratch using AI. This is a brand new tool that was just released, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. I personally have used this tool to build dropshipping stores extremely quickly. It's super quick, super simple, and super easy. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you guys don't know me, my name is Grant. I've done over $500,000 in dropshipping sales, and I just opened up my personal one-on-one coaching program. If you would like to apply, it's going to be the first link in the description below. Sign up for a call, and I'll see you inside. So we're going to be building our AI store with a tool called buildyourstore.AI. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can use this tool for completely free. As you guys can see, it will build us a free AI-built Shopify store in minutes. It's fully optimized with imported products already, and it's completely ready to go. All you got to do is choose your niche, review the store, and then start your business. Buildyourstore.AI will automatically import winning products. It'll use a high converting theme, and it'll create a polished product page that you can use for your dropshipping business. Additionally, you get a free .store domain name when you use buildyourstore.ai, so that's super cool. In order to get started, all we have to do is click build my free store, and then we're just going to pick a niche. I'm going to be choosing home and garden, and perfect. Now that that's completed, we're going to choose a couple images. I like this guy and this girl. So those are perfect, just to give the AI a little bit of inspiration about what we want our website to look like. Now that that's completed, all we have to do is click Access Shopify and create a Shopify account. As you guys can see, this link will give you the 3-month trial for just $1 per month. All you got to do is enter your email and click Start Free Trial. Now that that's complete, just click Done, and we'll move on to the next step. So now you have to import your Shopify store URL. So all I'm going to do here is click this, click copy the link in the top, and paste my link right here. Then I'm going to click save. Perfect. Now we're going to activate our Shopify plan. So we've created our Shopify account. Now with the click of a button, we're going to be prompted to go to Shopify, and it's going to prompt us to sign up for the basic plan. I always recommend the basic plan for any beginner dropshipper. It's the best, most versatile plan, and you can get it for $1 per month for the first 3 months. Now you've got yours, and all you got to do is click subscribe, and now your store is live on the web. Once that's complete, navigate back to buildyourstore.ai and click done. Now that that's complete, I'm going to install the buildyourstore.ai app onto my Shopify store, and that's complete. Now for the fun part. This is where AI is actually going to build us a store. So all we got to do is click customize my store, and the AI is generating us a dropshipping website. This tool is super interesting because if you're not using AI in 2025, you are going to be left behind. Now that we've got our website set up, we need a way to fulfill our orders. AutoDS is the best supplier to use as a beginner dropshipper because they fulfill your orders in units of 1. Most dropshipping suppliers require a 10 or even 100 minimum order quantity, but AutoDS has a minimum order quantity of 1. That means you can ship out individual orders, so if you only get a few orders on a product test, it's perfect. Now, all you've got to do is follow these steps to register for AutoDS. I've got a link in the description below that you can use to get 30 days on AutoDS for just $1. So make sure to use that link. So we're just going to click here, register to AutoDS, and I've already got an account, so it's already set up, but it's going to prompt you to pay. Then you're going to use your free trial, and now that that's complete, we're going to click done. Great, our Shopify store is live. All we have to do now is click access my store, and we're going to be brought directly to our website. As you can see, this is what AI built us. It's a fully built out dropshipping store with a ton of random winning products on it. So obviously this website is not ready for ads. We have to edit it a little bit. And for that, you're just going to go into your Shopify admin and click customize. As you can see, this is the website that was built for us, but this homepage is not important. I want to show you guys the product page because this is actually a really good high converting theme. As you guys can see, we've got a sliding banner at the top, reviews, rating stars, title, price, variant picker, and then emoji benefits, which definitely increases your conversion rate. Next, we've got bundle deals where you can set quantity discounts and increase your average order value, add to cart and buy it now button, and then a shipping estimate for when you'll probably receive the product. So obviously this website is not ready for our business, but it's going to take some editing. So just change the website a little bit to make it match your brand feel. And I'm going to show you guys what your website can look like once you've finished the editing process. So here is my website for the Leaf Buddy. As you guys can see, I've got a couple of heading banners, the title, product images, rating stars, product name, emoji benefits, quantity selector, and then the add to cart button. Super clean website with our frequently asked questions and then a couple images. Below that, I've just got a few reviews and then the footer. So as you guys can see, this is the same theme that was built with AI. I just changed the colors, changed the text a little bit, and made it fit my brand. If you guys want to learn exactly how to build a high converting dropshipping website, please check out my mentorship. I will show you exactly how to build a website just like this that will convert customers. So make sure to click the button below and apply. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to build a dropshipping store with AI. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.